Hey, I'm Mark. I'm an electrician. I've been doing the wiring for the past 30 years of my life. We've all struggled with the fasteners that are out there. For the most part, it's just a staple. Now try grabbing one of these every day of your life to fasten a wire back with. Not a very fun thing to drive into a stud, and the stapling of wires to me just always seemed like a dangerous way to secure a wire within the wall cavity. The problem with that is that people will overdrive the staples not knowing if there's damage done to it. So along comes the idea for TecHold. This product here, it's a T-shaped electrical cable hold. That's where the name comes from. The idea was that you could nail these in with holding this, and you're just taking your hammer and just striking it out here, so you're not holding that fastener within your hand. And then you would just pull these out and you can go around the whole house and actually nail up all your receptacle outlets, your switches, up and down. You can nail these all up and then start pulling your wires. You can clip that in there because the wire will pull through these fasteners. It's just going to hold it in place. So you could actually clip it into them as you would go down to your box first. So you're taking away that swing of the hammer toward the electrical cable. And so it's just a lot better product. It's very versatile. You can get it into smaller confined areas. Try to staple this wire when it's in a cavity that's only this big. You're holding it at a weird angle, and then you're in here trying to hammer it in, and you're beating the heck out of everything. So you can drive these things at an angle. Let me show you. You're swinging your hammer from out here. Just beat it straight and twist it. Now you're right back where you need to be, holding your wire right in place. When you're done with the 50 on here, you've used these up, so you end up with the dispenser holder. So what do? Then you just buy another, you just get another pack. You just take the dispenser and you just shove it through. Just line it up. Cut that off there, you're ready to start sliding them out. Continue on putting your fasteners in. All the electrical inspectors are thrilled with it. They think it's a great product. Other electricians have used them. They are enjoying this product. It's just a lot better. It looks better. It's neater within the walls. It's a standoff fastener. Right now we have them on cablefastener.net. For $6, you get the starter pack of 50 with the one dispenser. That basically just gives you an idea, lets you use them in a few walls. But the better value is the construction pack on there that we have. And you get 250 of these, so it would be 5 packs and 1 dispenser. If you go on to cablefastener.net, shoot me a memo, tell me where you want these things, and let me know the supply houses in your area so I can contact those people and just see if I can get some of these on there. They're easy, they're efficient, just way better on a safety point. cablefastener.net.